Friends, do you know how mosquito repellent coils are made in factories? Plus, do you know how Lux Lifebuoy soap is prepared, and why the entire world uses footballs made in Pakistan? In this video, I will show you the manufacturing process of these everyday items. So, let's get started. Spoons and forks. Almost every meal involves the use of spoons and forks. These kitchen utensils are made from metal, and the process is quite simple. First, stainless steel is used. The steel sheet is placed in a cutting machine, which shapes it into flat spoons. These flat spoons are then polished using a running belt. Once the spoons are shiny, workers place them in a pressing machine to give them depth. The same process is repeated for forks. Once the spoons and forks are ready, designs are laser printed onto their handles. Workers place each spoon under a laser machine, and the selected design is printed onto them. Mosquito repellent coils. With summer in full swing, mosquito coils are used in almost every household. But do you know how these coils are made and how they kill mosquitoes? These coils are made from a special powder containing chemicals that are lethal to mosquitoes. First, the powder is mixed with water in a machine to form a paste. This paste is then pressed into thin sheets using another machine. The sheets are cut into spiral shapes, which are then dried. Once the material is completely dry, it is packed into boxes and sent to the market, ready to repel mosquitoes in our homes. Bangles. No matter how modern the world gets, every girl still loves to wear bangles. But do you know how these colorful and attractive bangles are made in factories? First, glass is melted in a furnace. The molten glass is then picked up with an iron rod, and colors and pigments are added. The glass is rolled into a wire-like shape using a roller. Once it cools slightly, the glass is cut into bangles using a small diamond. After the bangles are separated, they are cooled and decorated. Workers hand paint designs onto each bangle, adding shine and sparkle. Once decorated, the bangles are bundled together to prevent breakage during transportation and are then sent to the market for sale. Fair and Lovely cream. Fair and Lovely is one of most famous beauty creams. But do you know how this cream is made? The process begins by pouring milk into a large mixer. Citric acid, alcohol, glycerin, mineral oil, carbopol, and other ingredients are added to the milk and mixed thoroughly. Once everything is well mixed, it is cooked until it forms a smooth, white cream. The specific chemicals and fragrances used are known only to the company. Once the cream is ready, it is filled into tubes and sent for packaging. China Chappal slippers. China Chappal is a widely used item in Pakistan. These slippers are made using a simple method. A special type of rubber is used, which comes in various colors. The rubber is melted at high temperatures and poured into iron molds. Once the slippers take shape, a special spray is applied to make them flexible. After cooling, a plastic frame is inserted to maintain their shape. Designs are then printed onto the slippers, and they are ready for the market. Soap. Lifebuoy/Safeguard. Soap is a basic necessity for everyone. But do you know how soap is manufactured? The two main ingredients are caustic soda and animal fat. These are mixed in a machine, and fragrances are added. Water is then added to the mixture, which is cooked at high temperatures. Once the mixture thickens, it is placed on a conveyor belt and pressed into thin sheets. These sheets are ground again, and colors are added. The soap is then cut into bars, packaged, and sent to the market. Toy planes. These small metal planes are loved by children, especially those who dream of becoming pilots. The process starts with printing small plane designs onto a metal sheet. The sheet is then cut and placed into a pressing machine, where it is molded into the shape of a plane. The bottom part of the plane is made from plastic, including the wheels. Once both parts are ready, a worker assembles them, and the toy is ready for children to enjoy. Pakistan's world-famous footballs. Pakistan is the country that produces 70% of the world's footballs. But do you know how these world-famous footballs are made? The process starts with processing hard rubber, which is used to make the inner layer of the football. The rubber is steamed to strengthen it. Once the inner ball is ready, the outer design is cut into pentagons and hexagons. A football is made up of 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons. High-quality footballs are hand-stitched by workers, while regular footballs are stitched using machines. Once stitched, the rubber ball is inserted, and the football is ready. It is then tested by kicking it 2,000 times in a machine to check its durability. Finally, the air is let out, and the football is packed for sale. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more updates.